Plowshare works with the innovation coming out of DSTL to create spin-out companies and license deals such that the technology is not just available for the defence environment, but also something that can be enjoyed right across our society. The sepsis story is a remarkable one. It's born of over 10 years worth of investment in time in DSTL and over £16 million of investment. It now gives us a biobank that enables us to predict up to 3 days prior to someone displaying symptoms that they are likely to have a sepsis reaction. Of course, we understood that this was life-changing across the world, and that's why Plowshare created a spin-out company called Presymptom. However, in the last few months, we've also identified that it has real relevance in the COVID-19 context, because we now know that people who get very sick from COVID are typically having a sepsis reaction. It's with that knowledge that we accelerated significantly our work around sepsis and specifically identified a development path for COVID-19. And because Plowshare saw that that could have a real impact really quickly on people's lives, we decided in quite exceptional circumstances to invest £200,000 of our own money to ensure that this gets to patients quickly.
We believe that the technology has enormous potential to help both COVID patients at this time of national crisis, but also sepsis patients generally. And in fact, there are nearly 2 million suspicion of sepsis admissions annually to the NHS. And we think there's an important role that the technology could play for this group of patients.
It's taken us 10 years. We've taken samples from over 4,000 patients. We've partnered with over 150 clinicians and research scientists, and we have over 72,000 samples sitting in freezers, and we've been analysing some of those samples. So it's been a real journey to get to this point. We think that we've developed a tool that will help the clinical community manage sepsis much better and will hopefully save lives and improve patient outcomes. And that's the thing that really drives us and moves us forwards in our day-to-day job.
The team has a very ambitious plan at this time of crisis, and our intention is to build a solution that we can deploy during the second wave of COVID, if there is a second wave. And that's the timetable we're working to. That will require strong execution by all involved, but there's a high level of motivation and drive across the team to deliver this solution on that schedule.